Hello everyone. So today I'm going to introduce to you the effectiveness of online class. The novel COVID-19 is known as the worst pandemic on the planet has which affect the humankind of the several factors of their life. The major factors was the education system, which is the conventional education system has been disrupted and resultant for the closure of all the institutions. So this makes the higher authorities to take an alternative ways for this problem which is going through online education. The overall finding reveals online learning which is an effectiveness and also an efficient system of learning to fulfill the education systems and need and also for the learners to get through this online education system which is they need to adopt into their new norms.
Classes because first of all it saves time. It's convenient. Your timetable can be convenient. You can manage to attend the class in between the time without having to face traffic jams, without having to face transportation problems or laziness to overcome, because most of us we don't want to get up early in the morning because we have to go to the college and all, and but it has been better after the online classes has been started because you just wake up and then you go for the classes, and it has been very easy and it's been proven that it's effective than face to face. And also on the other hand, it also has been proven that it saves a lot of cost, spending costs on printing and also submitting assignments in the form of booklets or in paper. It has saved a lot of costs because everything is in online. You can decide the time that you want to go to class, not exactly if you're following the school or the college, but sometimes after the class or anything, if you miss anything, you can still get the notes through your friends or through in the PDF form. Because personally for me, after my class or anything, my lecturer still sends us our notes, and it's very 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 easy for us to refer everything. And even in free time, you can just keep going on, scrolling down your screen because everything is in there. You don't have to bring like a heavy book and then keep flipping on it, but you can just scroll down and you see everything. You get to manage time. I believe that online class is really very effective than face-to-face classes, even though face-to-face classes is fun and it's more realistic. So this is why I put my point in. These are the examples why online class is actually effective.
The confidence of the individual, that students learn best when they believe they are capable of online learning. The presence of involvement of a teacher, students are far more successful in online learning environment when they have access to an instructor. Communication. It goes without saying that online learners, like those learning in person, need a chance to communicate with their classmates. Online forum also can schedule chats, offer a great opportunity to keep students talking and keep them engaged with the course and one another. Mental and physical health problems. For example, the increased screen time of online interaction and lack of face-to-face interaction affect every student's mental health and physical health. Not focus and concentrate in the lesson. Basically, the students are not concentrate in the lesson. They are doing another thing while the class is going on. Network problem like internet connection. This is the main thing of the every students. If they don't have a internet connection, they difficult to join the every class of the online learning.
Number one, the parents should support and motivate their children by providing the basic requirement for an online learning, such as a proper study environment, electronic gadgets, and devices. Number two, the educators should reward the students for their active participation in online activities related to the lessons, such as e-certificate, e-voucher, and so on. Number three, the Ministry of Education should conduct a virtual awareness campaign with the title The Effectiveness of Online Classes to unearth the urge to participate in online learning among the students. Number four, the institutions should design a fun-based and interactive online activities to make the online learning more interesting and attractive to the students. And number five, the telecommunication teams such as Celcom, Maxis and Digi should offer a free unlimited internet package prior to the online learners to learn and be involved without any distractions.
Okay, hello. Please introduce yourself. My name is Kausalya. I'm studying at Zenit International School. My age is 17.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions about the effectiveness of having online classes. So, is it the concentration in online classes better compared to physical classes?
I think the concentration in online classes is not better compared to physical classes because in physical classes we can only pay attention to the class, but in online classes we cannot concentrate properly.
Okay, second question. Let us talk about the effectiveness of doing lab sessions in online classes.
Okay. While entering lab subject in physically, we can concentrate in it better and we could also clear all our doubts easily in our lab session. Then physical lab session help us to finish our lab task even more faster compared to online lab because the explanation about the lab is much more faster than online lab session. Next, online session help us to attend our online lab in any place and it saves our time also. But even though it is convenient to attend lab session in online, but physical lab session are always better than online session.
Oh, I see, I see. Okay, Kausalya, thank you for your time. Thank you for our interview. See you again.
Thank you.
Hi Shri, since we're in pandemic, most of the learning have been shifted to online mode. In your opinion, is it better to concentrate in online classes compared to physical classes?
Hi, I find it easier to adapt and concentrate well in online class because it's very convenient.
Do you think that online class can increase students' mental and physical health problem?
No, I disagree with that. During an online class, although there is information overload, but our understanding, lectures will give some time to relax.
Oh, I see. So, what are the challenges of online classes and what do you think is necessary to overcome this problem?
As a medical student, I faced a lot of challenges like time constraints, poor technical skills, and also inadequate infrastructure. And since this solution to this include improved educator skills, incentives, support, and also positive attitude amongst all those involved in this virtual learning.
Okay, thank you for sparing your valuable time for this short interview.
Hello, thank you for joining the interview session with me today. I'm Tanya Sri. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, thank you for inviting me. My name is Kavisha Mohanan.
Okay, we will move on to the first question. What is their perspective or impression towards online learning compared to traditional learning?
In my perspective, online learning is a fun-based learning rather than traditional learning.
My next question is it better to concentrate in online classes compared to physical classes?
Yes, it is better to concentrate on online classes as it's fun and interactive.
And my last question is, do you think that online class can increase students' mental and physical health problem?
No, I think it will decrease students' mental and physical health problem.
Okay. So in conclusion, do you think that online class is effective or ineffective?
It is effective, very well.
Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for joining the interview. I really appreciate it.
Hi Ahmed, I'm Tashwita. Thank you for joining our interview section on effectiveness of online classes.
Thank you.
Okay, so my first question to you is, do you think that online class can increase students' mental health and physical health problem?
So from my opinion, I would say yes, because online classes affect your body health.
Okay, thank you. And for the second question, what are the challenges of online classes and what do you think is necessary to overcome this problem?
Oh, okay. So for this question, there are many challenges, but as a student, there are 2 points which are a lack of time management or negative thoughts. So to overcome this problem, you need to manage your time and stay positive.
Okay, thank you. And for the last question, is it better to concentrate in online classes compared to physical classes?
Yes, I think, yeah. In online classes, you have to focus more than face-to-face classes, that you can understand the lecturer what he wants from you.
Okay,
Thank you for your time. I'm done with our 3 questions of interview. Thank you.
As a lecturer, so what are the challenges of online classes and what do you think is necessary to overcome this problem?
Okay, as for me, I think the challenges is depends on individual. Okay, like the students have, among the students themselves, they have a different challenges. Okay, for example, like maybe from the students that are not from the like B40 background, the main challenges are mostly on the tools, on the internet connection, okay, on the environment, and all the distraction, and all the other like the material stuff. Okay, while for the other students, they might have a challenge in terms of the environment. Okay, they might have a sisters or the big families that everyone having the online classes. Okay, so for them, the challenge is on the environment. Okay, in order to have the conducive environment for the family to prepare for that. Okay.
Good evening, Miss. Can I know your name?
Hi, good evening. My name is Kalevani Irajan. I'm a preschool teacher at Real Kids.
Okay, Miss. So I start with the question. The first question, do you think that online class can increase students' mental and physical health problem?
Okay, from my view, it's yes, but some of the kids, the increase of screen time of online instruction and lack of face-to-face have affected some of the kids in a mental and physical health.
Okay, Miss. So the second question, what are the challenges of online classes and what do you think is necessary to overcome this problem?
Okay, the challenges are we should make our materials more accessible, and also we have to prepare and learn to communicate effectively in virtual spaces, and also we have to encourage and ask questions to kids to keep on motivating them.
Okay, Miss. So the last question, what is your perspective and impression towards online learning compared to the traditional learning?
Okay, online learning is a really good thing for now. It's a biggest advantage because the kids will learn technical skills, more technical skills. They challenge to step outside from comfort zone, and also can explore all the features of digital learning. For example, like online materials, interactive quizzes, and also some hands-on exercises. Yeah, that's the biggest advantages from online learning. That's it.
Oh, goodness. Thank you so much, Miss.
Yeah, sure. Thank you for having me, and thank you very much.
Online education has both advantages and shortcomings, but that totally depends on the individual itself. The respondents who took part in our interview consist of students like university students, private school students, medical students, university lecturers, and also teachers. From this interview, we can conclude that most of the respondents agrees that online classes affects physical and mental health due to increased screen time, which makes them to lose focus. This is why teachers and lecturers plays a vital role to make their lessons more interesting in order to make sure that the students enjoy throughout the lesson. However, online class is convenient and saves time, especially the lab sessions. In conclusion, the respondents of this interview believe that physical classes are effective and online classes are somehow tragic. Thank you.
Conclusion, from what we have seen, the online education has brought an effectiveness of learning with the lecturers and also teachers, students, and all the outside the institutions, which they makes the students can learn at their own comfort pace. And besides that, it's also save time for their travelings, and also it save costs for their expenditures and etc. So that's all from us. Thank you.